The door placement. So in your paperwork, you have the door, one door here, which would be fine, I guess, and then the other door here, which won't work because of the bulkheads here. I can't put it here either because that's not wide enough. Can't put it here because the bulkheads of the door would have to go over here for the utility room. Now, my suggestion for the bedroom door would be to have it over here on the side where you currently have your closet, just due to the fact that you want to be able to bring stuff down the stairs here, and the ability to open a door and just walk something in there and then walk it over there or over to here, whichever you decide, gives you a little bit more play for bringing things in. So I think that would be a good spot for a door, depending on your opinion, of course. And I think it's the closet over here into the utility room, but we don't necessarily, like you said in your message, we don't necessarily need to do a walk-in. We can just do a regular depth, two-foot closet by 4 feet wide sort of thing over here, so it doesn't intrude too much on your utility room, and there's still space for the furnace to be accessed and prepared if necessary. But and that way also you're not making the room any smaller by putting that closet inside of here. But gets you a little bit extra room there. But more importantly, it gives you that access to be able to bring stuff down the stairs. So if you could let me know on that as soon as you can for the so that we can decide. Well, this is not a huge rush, but we can decide where everything's going to finally end up when it comes to the doors and the closet. And that's it for that. Thank you.